Is your Hisense Roku TV not detecting your PS5? Or are you seeing no signal or a black screen after connecting via HDMI? No worries. Here's how to fix these issues and properly restore the signal on your PlayStation 5. Start by checking your HDMI connection. Unplug the HDMI, then plug it back in firmly on both your TV and your PlayStation 5. You can also try a different port if that doesn't work. Try another HDMI cable if you have one, and make sure it's a good quality cable. Also, take a quick look at the ports. If you see any dust, gently clean it with a soft brush. Next, grab your remote and go to the TV input section. Make sure you're selecting the exact HDMI port where your PS5 is connected. If nothing shows, go ahead and cold boot your TV by unplugging the power cable, waiting a few seconds, and then plugging it back in. If you're still seeing a black screen, it's time to check the PS5. Turn it off first by pressing and holding the power button until it shuts down completely. Wait a few seconds, then press and hold the power button again until you hear 2 beeps. This will open safe mode. Now connect your controller using a USB-C to C cable and press the PS button. You'll see a menu show up on the screen. From there, select Change Video Output. Then select Change Resolution. Set it to Automatic. That's the best option for most setups. If you already know your TV's resolution, you can choose it manually as well. Once you do that, your PS5 will restart and your display should come back to normal. That's it. Your PS5 should now be working perfectly. If this helps, stay with Fix369.